All right, Kenny Smith, Total Force Holdings. We're going to wrap up our TCCC series on the actual medical working medical kits that I carry when I'm on a security gig. So, this med pouch right here, this is a general purpose medical pouch, right? This is not just trauma. This is not just basic first aid. It's divided, right? I've got trauma and life saving on the bottom, minor stuff at the top. Notice, all right, got needles for chest decompression, CPR shield, gauze, TK4 tourniquet. I'm not the biggest fan of these, but they're better than nothing. Old school soft tee, nasopharyngeal airway, Vaseline gauze, which you can use to really help secure sealing a chest, freaking pressure bandage, and old school powder hemostatic. At the top, Band-Aids, just different small wound stuff to include suturing, oral rehydration salt, Pepto-Bismol. I usually keep some other OTC meds in there, but on my last gig I down most of those. Cravat, you can do a lot of things with that very multi-purpose piece of gear. Another bundle of gauze. Another bundle of gauze. Moleskin, EP works a lot of time on your feet. Tweezers for removing ticks and stuff. Another cravat, again very useful. And a Sharpie. I also keep on my ankle when I'm doing EP work this gig right here. Now, I have another carrier that I got from a friend of mine who owns a surplus store, Black Sheep Surplus, for those of you who see this on Instagram. But when I'm wearing duty boots as opposed to my cowboy boots, it's a little bit on the short side. This is from Rescue Essentials. I've got 3 cells of Molly, and it's not uncommon to see my scallywag dagger tucked in there. But we ain't doing that right now. I got shears on the outside, pressure bandage, hemostatic gauze, and a soft tee wide. But those are my actual working medical kits. So those are the ones that I have at it when I'm on the job.